Welcome back, friends. I just discovered a brand new YouTube channel that went viral in just a few days. And trust me, the reason will surprise you. This creator is using a completely fresh content style, new ideas, unique concepts, and something you don't usually see on YouTube. Instead of traditional videos, they're creating animated content using vegetables and everyday food items, and it's blowing up fast. Now here's the crazy part. These videos look super high quality, almost like they're made using expensive AI tools or a full production team. But honestly, I don't think that's the case. Because the truth is, you can create this type of viral content very easily, without showing your face, without spending a single dollar, and without wasting hours of your time. Yes, 100% free. And the best part? You don't need any advanced skills, no editing experience, and no complicated setup. Just a simple idea, the right prompts, and a few free AI tools, and you're ready to go. In today's video, I'm going to break everything down for you. How this channel went viral, what strategy they're using, and how you can copy the same method to create your own viral videos. I'll also show you the exact prompts, tools, and workflow so you can start today, even if you're a complete beginner. I've created a powerful master prompt for you, and I've already added it in the description below. All you need to do is simply copy and paste it into ChatGPT, and that's it. Everything will be generated for you automatically. I spent a lot of time and effort building this prompt so you don't have to struggle. I tested multiple versions, refined every detail, and optimized it specifically for viral YouTube Shorts content. This is not just a random prompt, it's a complete system. It's designed to give you high-quality ideas, ready-to-use scripts, and perfectly structured content that matches the exact style of the viral channel I showed you earlier. So you don't need to think about what to create, how to start, or how to make it engaging. Just copy it, paste it, and let ChatGPT do the heavy work for you. And here's the best part. You can use this again and again to generate unlimited content ideas. Every time you run it, you'll get fresh, unique, and viral-ready outputs. No skills required, no experience needed, no money involved. This is perfect for beginners, students, or anyone who wants to start a faceless YouTube channel quickly. If you're serious about growing on YouTube, this can literally change your game, but only if you actually use it. So don't just watch this video and leave. Take action. Go to the description right now, copy the master prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and start creating your first viral video today. Now it's time to create your AI images. And I know one thing. Most of you are tired of paying money for tools like Nano Banana or other paid AI platforms. But here's the good news. You don't need to spend a single dollar. Yes, 100% free. Because today I'm going to show you a powerful method using Flow AI. Flow AI is an amazing AI tool that allows you to generate high-quality images completely free, no watermark, no waiting time, and no hidden charges. You don't need any complicated setup. Just go to the Flow AI website, copy the prompts I provided earlier, and simply paste them there. That's it. Your images will be generated instantly. No skills needed, no experience required. Everything is simple and beginner-friendly. And the best part, you can generate unlimited images. Just copy each prompt one by one, paste it into Flow AI, and keep creating. You can experiment with different prompts, try new ideas, and build an entire content library in minutes. This is exactly how these viral channels are producing content so fast. They're not spending money, they're just using smart tools. So don't overthink it. Go to Flow AI right now, paste your prompts, and start generating your images. Once your images are ready, we'll move to the next step and turn them into viral videos. Let's keep going. Now let's jump into the website AI Studio by Tencent. The link is in the description, so don't worry about finding it. This platform is honestly amazing. And the best part? It's completely free. I'll guide you step by step, so don't stress. First, simply log in using your Gmail account. No complications, no technical issues, super smooth process. Once you're inside, go to the video mode section and click on AI video. You'll see multiple models available for both images and videos, but for now, we're going to use the Hunyuan 1.5 model because it's completely free and works incredibly well. Creating videos here is very simple. Just paste your prompt, upload your image, and click on Generate. That's it. It usually takes about a minute, and then the system starts processing your video. Once it's done, boom, your result is ready. And trust me, the quality is impressive. You don't need to upscale the video, and you don't need any extra tools. Everything you need is already built into this platform. Now you can repeat the same process, copy the next prompt, upload your images, and click Generate again. You can create multiple videos very easily. If you ever get an error after generating a few videos, don't worry. Just switch to another Gmail account and continue. Simple as that. Everything is ready for you. Prompts, free. AI images, free. AI video generation, free. This is literally a complete free toolkit for content creation. You can start your own faceless YouTube channel, create viral short videos, or even build a full content business using this. So don't wait, take action now, and start creating. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful AI content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.